Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to install Git on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and how to get it connected to your GitHub account. Let's get right to it. For Windows users, we're going the official route. Head over to the Git website and download the installer for Windows. Once it finishes, run the exe file and follow the setup wizard. Most of the default settings are perfect, but make sure you select your preferred text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code when prompted. Most importantly, ensure that you select the option to add Git to your system path so you can use it easily in the command line. Choose the Open SSH option for secure connections and keep the default Windows-style line endings. Once the installation finishes, open your command prompt and type git space -- version to confirm it's working. If you're on Linux, we can do this directly in the terminal. If you're using a Debian or a Ubuntu system, run sudo apt update and then sudo apt install git. For Fedora, use sudo dnf install git, and for Arch Linux, use sudo pacman-s git. You can verify the version the same way once the process completes. Finally, we need to connect Git to your GitHub account. Open your terminal or Git Bash and run your global configuration. Type git config --global user.name followed by your name in quotes, then git config --global user.email followed by your email in quotes. To make your connection even more secure, I highly recommend generating an SSH key using the ssh-keygen command. Copy that key and add it to your GitHub account settings so you can push code without typing your password every time. And that's it. Your system is officially ready for version control. If this guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.